So I needed to create a dark black smoky eye look today. I've captured just the eye makeup for you all. This could be a video that is a go-to video every time you want to do a smoky eye. So the makeup is coming up and I hope you find it easy. So for the smoky eyes, first I'm going to prep my eyes with a concealer. I'm going to do the rest of the makeup later because the products can actually fall on the face. But I'm trying to show you guys a technique which is very easy. Then I'm going to just take my Studio Fix or any powder and mattify it so that my eyeshadow glides on well. So I'm taking the Nykaa I Am Black Kajal and I'm going to just apply it in a way where I can smudge it. And then I'm going to start blending it. Make sure there's no gap near your lashes. You take it up as much as you want. If you have hooded eyes, you go higher. Then I'm taking a black eyeshadow and I'm going to blend further. Now take a clean brush and blend it out. I'm taking a dark brown and a soft brush and now I'm going to blend in the crease because you want the eyeshadow to be from black to brown. Just put it in here, just keep blending. Then I'm taking a lighter brown and another soft brush and now I'm going to blend the crease further because we don't want any harsh lines. Now I'm going to touch up the black. This is a black smoky eye, so you want it to be intense. So you need to make the black part blacker because the browns can kind of dilute the color. I'm going to first take a black coal and fill it out. I'm going to smudge it a little. Then I'm going to go back with my brown and a pencil brush or a smudge brush and make the lower lid smoky. These are really intense smoky eyes. You can always try a different way. You can do this just with browns. But this is for the ones who really want a dramatic black smoky eye. I'm going to just set my eyebrows with a gel. Now take a highlighter and put it under your brow bone, mainly towards the outer part. And the smoky eye is done.